Using Excel and financial calculator, I will show you how to figure out YTM. First, summarize information. Okay. Now, number of year, 10 years, but semi-annual case, times 2. Okay. YTM, interest, we do not know. Present value, this negative sign indicates cash outflow. 7% semi-annual coupon. So, par value times 7% coupon rate divided by 2, because this is semi-annual case. Par value 1000. Given information, let's figure out YTM. Payment, present value, future value, times 2. Again, semi-annual case. Enter. You will get 5.83%. Okay? I will show you how to figure out this number using financial calculator. 20. This will be our present value. Coupon payment. Par value. Compute YTM. Again, semi-annual case, times 2. 5.83% or 82%.